Welcome, Shelly Saenz-Haro here, and it's time to put on our realtor hat and our social butterfly. So now we're ready to get started with our today's project. So I do sell these in my Etsy shop that I want to invite you to take a look and see as a realtor if any of these will meet your marketing needs. And so I have one today. Your referrals are pumpkin spice and everything nice, and it has like a little fall leaf there with it. And let me get my glasses here on so I can see. And with this, you'll be able to print out a template, and then 6 come on one page, and then if you needed more, of course, you'd be able to print out more. But I also want to invite you, if you know someone that's moving to the DFW area, and we can set up where you get the appropriate documentation, and at closing, once everything is closed, and of course you'd be able to get your commission then. But anyway, here's the tag, and let me get my hole punch, and we'll put it right here in the top now. And if you are in need of a realtor, I'd be happy to help. I'm here, like I was saying, in the DFW area as well. I specialize in residential. We'd be able to set up an appointment and discuss your residential needs. Be happy to do that. All right, so I have a bag here that I've already put some confetti here at the bottom. I found this at a Family Dollar, and then this clear bag at Kroger. And let's go ahead, and I found this here. This is pumpkin spice at Family Dollar as well. And we do that, and then I have my business card, and I do have a tiny key I attach to it, and I secure it in place, and we'll put it here in the bag. Okay, give this a quick turn, and let's get some ribbon and feed this through. Okay, here we go. Isn't this just the cutest? It really is. Here we go. Make a little bow, and you'd be able to share with your clients. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. Bye now.